We are pleased to show you the 2019 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, rear step bumper, hill descent control, chrome wheels, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, fog lights, chrome mirror caps, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.